Hey everyone! Welcome back to All Kalp, the channel where we explore a little bit of everything: health, lifestyle, tips, and so much more. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a question that's on everyone's mind. Do you really need to take 10,000 steps a day? Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just curious, let's break it down together. Did you know the idea of 10,000 steps actually started as a marketing campaign in Japan in the 1960s? A company created a pedometer called Manpo K, which literally means 10,000 step meter. It wasn't based on scientific research, it just sounded catchy. But over time, this number became a global fitness goal. So, is it legit? Let's dive deeper. Research shows that walking is amazing for your health. It improves heart health, boosts mood, and helps with weight management. But do you really need 10,000 steps? Studies suggest that even 7,000 to 8,000 steps a day can significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases, like heart disease and diabetes. For older adults, even 4,000 to 6,000 steps can make a big difference. So while 10,000 steps is a great goal, it's not a magic number. What matters most is consistency and finding a routine that works for you. Here are some tips to make walking a part of your daily life. 1. Start small. If 10,000 steps feels overwhelming, start with 3,000 to 5,000 and gradually increase. 2. Break it up. You don't have to do it all at once. Take short walks throughout the day. 3. Make it fun. Listen to music, podcasts, or walk with a friend. And 4. Track your progress. Use a pedometer or a fitness app to stay motivated. Walking is one of the simplest and most effective ways to stay healthy. While 10,000 steps is a great target, it's not a one-size-fits-all goal. Focus on being active and consistent, and you'll reap the benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to All Kalp for more videos on health, lifestyle, and everything in between. Let me know in the comments, how many steps do you take in a day? Are you aiming for 10,000, or do you have your own goal? Until next time, stay curious, stay active, and keep exploring life with All Kalp.